Have you also been taught that friction is a force that opposes the direction of the motion? If yes, then you have been only taught 50% about friction, because friction can also in some cases help in the direction of the motion. To prove this, I will give you two examples. For first example, I am taking two objects, object A and object B. I am placing object A over object B, and what I am trying to do is to move the object. I am assuming that the friction force here is of 4 Newton and the force that I am applying should be greater than 4 Newton, so that's why I will able to move the object. So I am taking the force as 10 Newton, 4 Newton and 10 Newton. So what is happening when I am moving this object? I am applying force to red color book. So why the blue color book is also moving when I am applying a force on the red color book? You might be thinking that blue color book is placed above red book, that's why it is moving, or that is in contact with the red color book, that's why it is moving. And you have learned also in your junior classes that about contact force, that what is contact force. Friction is an example of a contact force, and you have also taught only 50% that friction is the force that always opposes the motion. So to prove this, what is the amount of force that I am applying in red color book? 10 Newton. What is the friction? 4 Newton. So my book will move easily? Yes. What force I am applying on the blue book? No force, means 0 Newton. And what is the friction force? 4 Newton. Then why doesn't the book is stationary and my red book is why only my red book will move? Because there is also a theory that friction can oppose the direction of the motion. If you got this, then it's okay. If you didn't, then don't worry. I have one more example. A very basic real life example. Cycle. Think this is my leg. So for pedaling, what do I do? In the direction of if I consider this direction as east, then I am applying a force to the east direction. So what is my area of the force is on the east direction. East direction. So if my area will be on east direction, then the wheel will rotate like this. So wheel is rotating like this. So where is applying force? He is applying force to the force to this direction. So what is happening? My cycle is moving that side. But here the friction force should apply on this direction. But here the friction force helps in the motion. I am applying the motion here. The tire is moving backside. If you can see the tire, if it is moving to the west direction, then why my cycle instead going up front, why it will not go back? Because the friction helps the motion to go ahead. So if you learned from the example number 1 with books, or with the example number 2 with cycle, then you might have learned basically about 70% of friction. In the next videos of this upcoming session, I will give you more information about what is static friction, what is sliding friction, what is rolling friction, and many other types of friction, or maybe about some other topics. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned.